Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the best foods to support heavy metal detoxification. Heavy metal exposure can be harmful to your health, but by incorporating the right foods into your diet, you can support your body's natural detoxification processes and reduce your risk of long-term health problems. Heavy metals are naturally occurring elements that are found in the Earth's crust. They have a wide range of industrial and medical applications, and they are often used in consumer products such as batteries, electronics, and cosmetics. However, exposure to heavy metals can be harmful to human health, as they can accumulate in the body over time and lead to a variety of health problems. Fortunately, there are many foods that can help support heavy metal detoxification in the body. In this video, we will explore the best foods for detoxifying heavy metals and the best strategy for doing so safely. Sulforaphane, broccoli sprouts, or broccoli microgreens. Sulforaphane is a compound found in broccoli sprouts and microgreens that has been shown to have powerful detoxifying properties. It helps to stimulate the production of enzymes in the liver that are involved in detoxification, and it also helps to support the elimination of heavy metals from the body. Cilantro. Cilantro is a popular herb that is often used in cooking. It has been shown to have chelating properties, which means that it can help to bind to heavy metals in the body and facilitate their elimination. Allicin. Garlic is another food that has been shown to have chelating properties. It contains a compound called allicin, which has been shown to help reduce the levels of heavy metals in the body. Curcumin. Turmeric. Curcumin is the active ingredient in turmeric, which is a spice that is often used in Indian cuisine. It has been shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to support the body's natural detoxification processes. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables such as kale, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are rich in compounds that can help to support heavy metal detoxification in the body. They contain sulfur-containing compounds that can help to stimulate the production of enzymes in the liver that are involved in detoxification. When it comes to detoxifying heavy metals, it is important to do so safely. Detoxifying too quickly or aggressively can actually be harmful to the body, as it can release too many toxins into the bloodstream at once. This can lead to a variety of symptoms, such as headaches, nausea, and fatigue. The best strategy for detoxifying heavy metals safely is to make gradual changes to your diet and lifestyle. Start by incorporating more of the foods listed above into your diet, and consider adding in other detoxifying foods and supplements as well. It is also important to stay hydrated, as this can help to support the body's natural detoxification processes. In addition to dietary changes, there are other lifestyle factors that can help to support heavy metal detoxification. These include getting enough sleep, managing stress, and avoiding exposure to environmental toxins as much as possible. In conclusion, heavy metal exposure is a serious health concern that can lead to a variety of health problems. However, by incorporating the right foods and making gradual changes to your lifestyle, you can support your body's natural detoxification processes and reduce your risk of long-term health problems. Thank you so much for watching today's video on the best foods for heavy metal detoxification. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content like this. Also, be sure to leave a comment down below with any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.